heard about the infamous Casa Grande, the domes of Casa Grande, I'm actually standing right in front of them, or walking right in front of them. Kind of a desolate road south of, I believe it's south of Casa Grande. And there you go, that's a dome. It's a dome and it looks like it's made out of foam. Pretty interesting, especially the building techniques. Truly looks like it was built out of foam and wire. I don't know if you can see that, but there's actually just a wire armature, it looks like, inside of the foam construction. I had seen YouTube videos on the domes, and it's kind of interested in seeing what was really here. Can't really go inside because it's posted no trespassing. Really don't want to get myself in trouble. But we can get a halfway decent shot from out here. I just learned that this was a manufacturing place for electronics originally. And actually it is made of concrete with a metal armature inside the concrete, rebar armature. And then it's covered with spray foam. This is as close as we're gonna get. Wow, it's quiet out here. Super quiet. When there's no vehicle going down this road, there's only a vehicle on this road every 5 minutes probably. This looks like some big clumps of concrete, gunite perhaps, that they may have built these domes out of. Just leftover stuff maybe. And it's right next to the domes here. From this point of view, you can see where some of the concrete is crumbled inside of the dome. And over here, looks like even worse damage. I'm actually not inside of the property here, but this is stuff that I'm just getting from the exterior. I had actually read that the owner of the property charges for doing studio shots, kind of, professional shots, videos, that kind of thing, inside the property. We didn't enter the property, and actually, we're just passing by, so I didn't really have time. Obviously, this is why there's no trespassing, and they don't want anybody inside of here, because it is falling apart. It's even falling to the exterior of the property, it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty dangerous. So this is pretty cool to see. I would probably check it out if I were watching this video. I think I'd probably want to see what's here. It's just like anything else. It's completely different when you're there. Let's hit the road again. And look what Clay found me. A sheriff's badge. I got a souvenir from the domes of Casa Grande. I'm the sheriff of the Casa Grande domes. Look at how empty the space is out here. Okay, let's move on down the road. Oh, and just for the continuity, there's your tire. New here, you haven't seen any of our videos before, but you liked it, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notifications of new videos as they come up, just ring that little bell. This is a 1 pound, little 1 pound dumbbell. Hey, and also share this with your friends if you think they'd like it. And once again, thanks for joining us at Fit for Expedition.